Guys, one of the biggest mistakes people make in e-commerce is testing products one by one. They pick one item, spend weeks building a store, launch ads, wait for results, and if it fails, they start everything over again. Today we are doing it differently. I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Instead of testing one product, we're going to launch 5 product stores at the same time using Copyfy. From product discovery and store generation to competitor analysis and final testing results. By the end of this video, you will understand how to test multiple products faster, cut the guesswork, and find profitable opportunities with real data. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's get into it. Now, guys, we're not just going to test products manually. We are going to delegate the hardest part of this process to AI. Meet Copyfy AI Chat. This is basically your analyst and strategist in one place. Instead of scrolling through endless product lists, I just go into the AI chat and give it a task. Something like, find me 5 winning products for the US market that are starting to trend right now. And within seconds, it comes back with actual categories and product ideas we can work with. And what really stands out here is the speed. It's analyzing live data from thousands of stores and giving you not just random products, but niches with validated demand. So this becomes our plan. 5 products selected by AI, 5 stores built in about an hour, and 1 strategy that Copyfy helps us shape based on real numbers. That's how we move from theory to execution in minutes instead of days. Alright folks, let's start with product selection, because this is where most people usually rely on intuition, TikTok trends, or random product lists. Inside Copyfy, I'm going to the Discover Products section, where we can look at real numbers before choosing anything. In the Products tab, I use filters to find products with monthly revenue between $50,000 and $300,000. This range usually means the product already has proven demand, but may not be completely oversaturated yet. I also check the number of active ads, and for this strategy, the sweet spot is around 5 to 50. Too few ads can mean the product is untested, while too many can mean competition is already too aggressive. Instead of picking one product, I choose 5 from different categories. For example, BioGaia Gastrus Probiotic Chewables, an Everclear iPhone case, a Morgan Classic Rib Henley, an Invite product, and a Putter device stand. The point is not that all of them are guaranteed winners. The point is that each product lets us test a different audience, buying intent, and messaging angle. Once the products are selected, I add them to my shop list and review the analytics. Now we have a stronger foundation before creating stores. We're not guessing anymore, we're building from data. Next, we move into Store AI. I copy the product link for the first item, paste it into the generator, and start the process. The AI reads the reference page, pulls product information, builds the page structure, writes sales copy, and prepares visual content. When the first store is generated, we can adjust the name, review images, generate new visuals if needed, and check the product information pulled from the reference. We can also change the color scheme, preview mobile and desktop versions, and make sure the store feels polished. And mates, this is the key difference. A developer or designer could spend days building one product page manually. Here, we're turning it into a production line. We create the first store, review it, make small adjustments, and repeat the same process for the next product. So I do the same for the iPhone case, then for the next product, and again for the 4th and 5th. By the end, we don't just have one store. We have 5 stores ready for testing. And since they can be exported to Shopify, this workflow fits into a real selling setup instead of staying as a demo. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Now, having beautiful stores is only half the game. The real advantage comes from understanding the market, so we move into competitor analysis. Normally, this takes a lot of time because you need to study ads, landing pages, hooks, angles, pricing, and positioning. Here, Copyfy's AI assistant helps speed that up. For the first product, I asked the system to analyze the main weaknesses in competitor advertising. Folks, the AI compares patterns and shows which audiences competitors are targeting, what messaging they use, and where they may be missing stronger emotional triggers. Instead of vague advice, it gives specific pain points and ad angles we can build around. For example, with the probiotic product, the system might suggest focusing less on generic health claims and more on daily comfort, trust, and routine. For the iPhone case, it can suggest angles around protection, confidence, style, and the fear of damaging an expensive device. It also gives ad format ideas, hook examples, and phrases that could work better for conversion. So mates, now we don't just have 5 stores. We have 5 product strategies. We know what to say, which audience to speak to, what pain points to focus on, and where competitors may be leaving space for us. After that, we run the tests. Instead of spending a month on one product and hoping it works, we launch all 5 and let the data show what is actually resonating. After 1 week, we open the testing dashboard and compare the results. 2 products stand out clearly: the probiotic product and the protective smartphone case. Both show a click-through rate above 2%, which is a strong signal that the ads and messaging are connecting with the audience. But guys, we don't stop at clicks. We also check add-to-cart rates, because that tells us whether people are interested after landing on the page. For both winning products, the add-to-cart rate is above 3%, which means the stores created with Store AI are doing their job and turning visitors into potential buyers. The other 3 products have higher cost per click and lower engagement, so we don't need to keep wasting budget there. In the traditional model, it might take months to discover that. Here we get the answer in about a week. And this is the whole point, friends. Minimum guessing, maximum data. We test several products, compare the numbers, cut what doesn't work, and focus the budget on the winners. But guys, Copyfy AI doesn't stop at analysis. It can actually help you build your marketing foundation as well. For example, I can ask it to generate 3 video ad scripts and thumbnail ideas for one of these products. And within seconds, it gives me structured concepts, hooks, angles, even suggestions on how the ad should look and feel. So instead of figuring everything out from scratch, you already have both the store and the promotion strategy built inside one system. So guys, what Copyfy really helps with is speed. Instead of building one store, waiting, failing, and starting again, you can test multiple products in parallel and let the data show you where the opportunity is. The workflow is pretty clear. Discover products with real demand, generate stores quickly, analyze competitors, test different audiences, and then scale the products that actually show traction. That is a much smarter way to approach e-commerce than guessing for months. If you're trying to find your next winning product, this kind of parallel testing system can save a huge amount of time and money. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.